Yo, this is your boy Joeblack and your girl Callie. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Keep Cooking with Joeblack and special guest, Chef Callie.
This is in the top.
You're showing it off, okay?
Yeah, but you have to say what's on my top.
It's not a modeling video, Callie. Okay, you're wearing a Puma top. Okay, it's Puma.
Yeah,
okay.
but say what's on, say the words.
Puma. Okay, so welcome back to our YouTube channel, Cooking with Joeblack and special guest Chef Callie. If this is your first time on my channel, I just want to say thank you for clicking this video in the first place. Really appreciate it. And thanks for the love and support from my returning subscribers. I just want to say thanks for the continued love. Right? Today we're gonna be cooking we're gonna cook curry oxtail. Yeah, we're gonna cook some curry oxtail today. Alright. So Callie, do you have anything to say? You haven't been here a while.
Okay. Do you know who did my hair?
Yeah, they don't know, tell them.
My auntie did my hair and Mum put the beads in. And you like my hair?
Okay. What did you do that hair for?
For graduation.
For graduation? When was the graduation?
Last time.
On Friday?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fridays.
So do you have anything to tell them, all the people that misses you?
Oh yeah. I had loads of stuff. Loads of stuff. And you know what? I had bubblegum ice cream. And I had different.
Okay.
I make my teeth white again. I miss you.
And tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel.
Okay, Callie said it. Yeah, so we're going straight in our video. We soon come.
Mark Law represent. Yeah, the same one. Money we are free for the hero.
So welcome back, everyone. Here we have the ingredients that we're going to be using in our curry oxtail today. So we have some roughly chopped garlic, some spring onion, some half of onion, some thyme, some sweet pepper or bell pepper, whichever you want to call it. And you know we're cooking curry, so we're adding a bit of ginger to it as well. Right? Ginger, let me say, protect your belly. Yeah, so we had some ginger. We have some Irish potato, some carrots, and I have some mixed seasoning. Some seasoning that I mix away. So what we have in this, we have some garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, sweet pepper, and yeah, some powder seasoning, garlic powder, all-purpose jerk season, yeah, onion powder, and we will add some garlic as well. And that's it. And here we have our oxtail. I'm gonna season this overnight. Yeah, so I season this overnight to, you know, have the video a bit shorter. And we have some butter bean. Right? So then the ingredients, and we're gonna mix it up right about it now. Normally I'm cooking my oxtail, I don't use my pressure cooker, but I'm using my pressure cooker today. I don't have much time, I just finished playing football, so I'm trying to get out the kitchen as soon as possible. So we're gonna match it up in our pressure cooker. Alright, so soon come. Alright, so what we're doing now, we just gotta add this. I add my oil already, well hot. I'm gonna add my oxtail to it. Alright. Alright, so that's what we are doing. we not add no water to it just yet, alright? We'll let this get like a color before we start adding water to it. So no boil, we are boil the oxtail, right? So leave that couple minutes and then we'll add the water to it. Alright, so now we're gonna add some water to it. Alright. So we'll just add some little more, not right. And we're going to pressure this around between 10 and 15 minutes. I'm going to check it before it first. I'm not really sure how tough the oxtail will be or how soft it will be. The next time I come back, I will check it. Minutes we done pressure. So we're going to add, just like I had with like a seasoning to it. Alright. Just spin the crown. So the curry look rich and nice color. So I'm gonna add the sweet pepper then. Close to when I almost finish, right? I want a bit of crunch out of it. Just add some water, not too much. Look like you want some more gravy. We need gravy now, but a little bit more water. Good. And that's it. Oh. We blend up seasoning, so we add some of this as well. Not too much. So we'll do a pot check, you know. Alright. So we have the bean now, butter bean. Add the sweet pepper. Right. Alright, so guys, we'll do the last check. Alright, look on that. Alright, this is how we should probably pull the plug on this now. Now need to go no further. We need gravy to get the food. And I eat that. And the gravy rich and nice. No water gravy. And we don't have to add nothing to get no thick gravy. You see it? Simple. But guys, I eat that. The curry oxtail And the next time you see me, when we dish this out. So just have a closer look. Bring it a bit closer so you can see what really are going on in the pot. Yeah. That is a closer look at what's really going on there. And that's it. This one here slide off a bone. Well slippery. Alright, soon come back. Guys, this is our finished product, our curry oxtail. And I'm serving this with some rice and peas, with some coleslaw and tomato, along with some lettuce. And yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Thanks for the continued love and support. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time on my channel, I just want to say thank you for the support and thanks for the love. It's really appreciated. Alright, while you're here, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, and turn on the post notifications so you'll know whenever I post a new video. So guys, that's the end of another video, and I tell you, things you laugh. Love you know, what good.